Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the MI Portable Wireless Mouse. So in this video, let's unbox this device and quickly review it against Logitech's M185 mouse, which I bought 3 years ago from today. So we will compare it because they fall in the same price bracket of around 500 rupees. So first of all, we will unbox the Mi Portable Wireless Mouse and then we'll quickly review it against M185 Logitech mouse. So let's start, shall we? So this is the me.com packaging, so let's bring our unnecessary black scissor and cut the plastic off. Cutting the plastic gives us this nice orange and white box, which is Xiaomi's tradition, but this is a small box this time around, and it has some information here, no bills inside because it is sticked in outside plastic. So this is the Mi Portable Wireless Mouse box. As you can see, the price quoted here is 649, but you will get this on me.com for 500 rupees. So the battery type is AAA, which is not included in the box. It is manufactured by Beijing, China and imported by Xiaomi Karnataka, as you can see, as well as the country of origin is China and the manufacturer is September 2019, and I got it in March, so this is the old packaging probably. As well as you can see, Mi Portable Wireless Mouse, ergonomic design, low battery backup, high resolution DPI. So it has 1200 DPI, which is the star of the show. So let's unbox it. Let's remove the seal on both the sides and let's open the lid. And this is the mouse itself. The packaging is very basic in my opinion. I was expecting much better packaging, but you have just the mouse itself and this leaflet. So you have this flap under, you have your manual, nothing else inside the box. Very basic box. I was expecting much better box from this mouse, because Xiaomi earphones comes in also very nice box. So this is a small manual, as you can see, user manual, and surprisingly this seems to be in English, not in China, so that's good. As you can see, the input value is 1.5 volts, so AAA battery is what you need. So I got the black color because the white color can be easily muddy, so this is what I went with, and it comes in this nice matte finish and very sturdy design, I would say. Very good build quality. You have your button and you have rubber grips with some information printed, as you can see, 1.5 volts at 10 milliamps. You have model number. Overall nice grip, and you have this indent to remove the front cover, which reveals the inner compartment, and it has your AA battery slot as well as your USB dongle, which you can remove and you have to install on your computer. So the driver installation is automatic, just plug in and play, so that's good. As well as you have your sensors, buttons and the mouse wheel, which is nice and sturdy. As you can see, the blue wheel is moving. So now let's install the battery in it first. So probably I will try to remove it from my M185. So I'm using this mouse the last 3 years. So as you can see, the condition of this mouse is very bad, as well as, but the mouse compartment, the battery compartment is below, whereas on Mi mouse it's in front, which is a good thing. Why, that I will cover in the review part of this video. So let's close the lid. I have installed the battery. Now we will turn it on, use it for a while. So before that, I will give you a quick comparison of the Mi mouse against M185. As you can see from size, it seems to be a very similar, but from width, as you can see, Mi mouse is slimmer and the build quality is also better on the Mi mouse. Also, there's no logo in the front. So we will use it for a while and we will back with the full review, shall we? So guys, I'm using this mouse for quite a while now, and this mouse is just amazing. So first of all, I'm on Linux and we have full driver support, meaning all the gestures are just working perfectly fine. As you can see, the scrolling, the applications, everything works. Scrolling is also nice, smooth scrolling is enabled, and it's very comfortable. But it's not for gaming. Definitely, if you are looking for a gaming mouse, they are much better alternative. But I game with it a little bit, and it's nice, it's accurate, and one of the best thing, it works on Linux, which I was not expecting that much, but I just ordered it to see it, and it works flawlessly. As well as it also works well on Windows. So I have this work from home VM right here, and as you can see, it just works fine with Windows. All the things is working normally with Windows. There's no issues. And on website it is mentioned that it works with Windows, but it's not mentioned that it's work with Linux. So that's a good option that it's working with Linux. And the 1200 DPI really helps when I do video editing. It's like precision tracking. I can individually select the text, and I don't need to focus much. It's just amazing. It's just smooth as well, as you can see. It's just smooth. So more the DPI, it means more pixels well you can move. So earlier I was using this eyeball mouse, which is 600 DPI, and this is a close competitor, which is a Logitech. I don't remember the model number, but I will mention that in the description. And this is 1000 DPI, so they don't mention, but it's 1000 DPI. So what do you think? This should be better than this, right? That's not the case. This is very plasticky. It's from a well-known brand, but I always, whenever I need to edit a video or game, I always used to switch to this, because I don't know about me, but many gamers prefer less DPI. Even if they have high DPI mouse, they kind of change the settings to low DPI so that they can move the screen faster. So with this high DPI, basically you are moving more accurately, meaning you are moving very slow on the screen. But this is not the case with this one. So I always prefer to go back to the wired mouse, just because of the latency, and low DPI means it responds faster. But since I bought this Mi mouse, which happens to be 1200 DPI, but I never went back to this mouse. Like, I never went back. Since I bought this, these two mouse are sitting under the desk, and I'm not using them at all, because number one, it's high DPI, means it's very good in video editing, better than both the mouse. Second, it's more comfortable. And third, the problem in Logitech was that it always used to have some loose connection. So as you can see, the battery compartment is here. So whenever you are using the mouse, the battery gets loose because of the gravitational, and it just disconnects. This is not the case with the Mi mouse, because it's designed in such a way that the battery is on the top, so it doesn't get loose, which is a good thing. Now the problem that I faced with this mouse was that I was using a second-hand ever-ready battery. I mean, second-hand battery means I used the battery earlier, and it was not working well. It doesn't used to connect. So if you see, let me show you. If I turn this on, you could see a light here, right? So this light means it is turned on. When I was using everyday battery, this was not working. So as soon as I switched the battery, this is, I think, the op-amp battery, and it just works very well. So if you are getting this mouse, and get a new fresh battery, which is not supposed to be Duracell or everyday, because they are too strong. So if I turn this on, you can see this light will blink. So that's good. This is a good indicator. There's nothing like this on this mouse, so Xiaomi always do some great things. Now let's come to the price. So the price of this mouse is 500 rupees, and the price of this mouse is 599 rupees, and this without any delivery charges. So 500 rupees sharp, 599 rupees. And if you don't if you get an offer for 500, say, this mouse, you have to pay 50 rupees extra. So they are very close to each other, but I always prefer this. This is highly recommended. I absolutely love this mouse. I'm not using this mouse again, but if you're a gamer, just try to look better alternatives. Logitech is of course a great brand, but if you go for a cheaper mouse like this, it's not good, guys. It's not good. So this is highly recommended mouse for this 500 bucks. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.